Hey gardeners and green heroes, welcome back to another episode from Soil Books, your go-to channel for eco-friendly gardening hacks and soil-smart solutions. Today, we're diving even deeper into the banana world. Did you love our last video about using banana peels as a potassium-rich fertilizer? Well, buckle up because today I'm sharing 7 genius ways to use banana peels in your garden. Methods that go beyond just composting or banana tea. Trust me, by the end of this video you'll never look at banana peels the same way again. Ready? Let's grow smarter. Quick refresher. Banana peels are nutrient-rich, biodegradable, and totally free. They contain potassium for strong stems and healthy fruits, phosphorus for vibrant flowers, calcium to prevent root diseases, magnesium, manganese, and even trace nitrogen. They're like a slow-release fertilizer, Mother Nature's multivitamin for your plants. First up, banana peel plus Epsom salt fertilizer. Want your flowering plants to explode with color? Try this. Mix chopped banana peels with a tablespoon of Epsom salt in a blender with water and pour it into your plant base. Why it works. Epsom salt adds magnesium and the banana peel provides potassium, a flower-boosting combo, perfect for hibiscus, roses, and geraniums. Next, banana vinegar for soil pH balance. This one's a bit unusual, but fermented banana vinegar helps to balance soil pH and discourage pests. Fill a jar with banana peels, sugar and water, let it ferment for 2-3 weeks, dilute and pour it around acidic soil-loving plants like blueberries, azaleas, and gardenias. Got aphids or fruit flies? Try a banana peel trap for garden pests. Place a banana peel in a plastic cup, cover with perforated cling film, and set it near affected plants. Pests crawl in for the sugar but can't escape. Zero chemicals, great for organic vegetable gardens. For a natural lime alternative, mix banana peel powder and ash. Mix wood ash with banana peel powder to make a pH balancer. Sprinkle it into your garden beds to neutralize acidity and provide potassium. Great for root crops like carrots, radishes, and turnips. Indoor jungle lovers, feed your indoor plants with banana peel cubes. Blend banana peels with water and freeze them in an ice cube tray. Drop 1 cube into your pots every 2 weeks. Smell-free, mess-free, nutrient-rich feeding. Great for pothos, snake plants, and spider plants. Instead of straw or bark, use banana peel mulch for moisture retention. Chop and layer them around your plant base to lock in moisture, attract beneficial worms, and prevent weed growth. Perfect for tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. If you have a worm composting bin, banana peel worm treats are like ice cream for worms. They speed up decomposition and supercharge your worm castings, which are liquid gold for gardens. Pro tip: don't overfeed. 1 peel per square foot every week is enough. Here's a cool trick. Blend banana peels with water, strain it, and use it as a leaf spray. It not only feeds plants through leaves, but can deter aphids and mealybugs. Time for a fun quiz. Which plant loves potassium the most? A. Tomatoes. B. Beans. C. Lettuce. D. Spinach. Comment your answer below. Let's see who's the real soil scientist here. There you go, friends. 7 genius ways to reuse banana peels and turn waste into pure garden magic. Isn't nature awesome? So which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Or, do you have your own banana peel trick? I'd love to feature your ideas in a future video. If this video inspired you even a little, like this video, subscribe to Soil Books and hit the bell so you don't miss our next eco-friendly garden tip. Until next time, stay green, stay grounded, and keep feeding that soil life. See you soon, friends.